Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add shop button on Instagram. So simply open your Instagram account. Here you can see this is our Instagram account. So simply click on my profile. Then click on these three dots. Then what you need to do, go to settings. So under the settings find the account option. So in the account option you need to switch to professional account. So click here, switch to professional account, click on continue. So after this, here you can select your category. How do you want to describe yourself? So now click on done. So now wait for a few seconds. Here you can select the business. Now click on next. Now here you can add your contact info, but we will do it later. Click on skip. So here you can set up your professional account, but we will do it later. So simply we will click on right type side. So now click on close button. Now simply click on edit profile. Now here you can create your avatar, but simply click on not now. So here you can see action button option, just click here. Now here we will select the book now option. Now here you can select your partner, like I'm clicking on appointee, simply click here. Now sign up here and connect the partner to Instagram to add the action button.